The Earth is home to a huge variety of living organisms. Since life began on this planet, life has adapted to diverse environments and evolved into myriad species. Each of these lives is interconnected with others, creating the rich web of life on Earth. We human beings are also a single part of this vast ecosystem, and our lives are dependent upon the Earth. A rich, living world embodies biodiversity. However, globalization and changes of human lifestyle have led to an increasingly rapid loss of diversity in life on Earth. Many creatures are facing crises, while the Earth is looking at vast and sudden environmental degradation on an unprecedented scale. Global warming is one example. Today, species are disappearing much more quickly than they did when dinosaurs went extinct. This graph shows how diversity among the world's organisms has been changing. There have been 5 mass extinctions in the past, caused by meteorite strikes or volcanic eruptions. And now, a 6th major loss of diversity is taking place, caused by humans. In order to live in harmony with nature, JICA positions the conservation of biodiversity as an important issue in international cooperation. JICA actively pursues this goal in developing countries. What can we do to conserve this invaluable biodiversity?